Learn English with your Instill.
Imagine if I told you that, in just 1 week, you could start to change your life forever. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's something real and possible, something within your reach, something you can do right now. So think with me. What if, in only 7 days, you could begin to feel happier, stronger, and more alive? What if you could look in the mirror and see someone ready to face anything? Do you want that for yourself? Do you want to know how? Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can I change my life in just 1 week? Isn't that too short? Isn't it impossible? And the answer is no, it's not impossible. Because changing your life doesn't mean turning everything upside down in 1 week. It means taking small but powerful steps that will start something amazing. This is not about taking shortcuts or following some secret formula that you'll forget a week later. This is about planting seeds, little seeds, each day of the week that will grow over time. These seeds will become habits, beliefs, and actions that can truly make you the person you want to be. This 1 week can be the start of a journey that will surprise you, challenge you, and fill you with pride. I'm not here to give you rules or a strict guide. Instead, I'm inviting you to explore your heart, your mind, and your spirit. Have you ever felt like life is passing you by, leaving you stuck in the same routines and struggles? Maybe you dream of a life filled with more happiness, purpose, or success, but don't know where to start. The idea of changing your life forever can feel overwhelming, even impossible. But the reality is, the power to transform your life is within you, waiting to be unlocked. Change starts with just one step. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. What matters is that you take it. When you begin to take action, even in the smallest ways, you start to shift your mindset, habits, and beliefs. These shifts can create a ripple effect that leads to bigger, more meaningful changes over time. In this guide, you'll discover simple, practical steps that can help you take control, make progress, and build a future that you truly want. It's not about sudden, drastic changes. It's about building momentum one day at a time. You have the potential to start a journey that leads to the life you've always dreamed of. One where you feel fulfilled, confident, and excited for each new day. Have you ever looked at your life and wondered, is this it? Maybe you felt trapped by your circumstances, unsure of how to move forward, or worried that it's too late to change anything. You're not alone. Most people have moments when they feel stuck or doubt whether they can ever truly improve their situation. But here's a secret. You have more power than you think to change your life forever. The truth is, even the smallest shifts in your actions and mindset can set in motion a series of events that transform your entire life. The process of change may not happen overnight, but every step you take makes a difference. When you commit to taking action, no matter how small, you start to see possibilities where you once saw only obstacles. Each small win builds your confidence, motivates you to keep going, and creates a momentum that drives you forward. It's not about making huge, overwhelming changes all at once. It's about making consistent, meaningful steps that add up to a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Imagine waking up each day feeling excited for what lies ahead, knowing that you're building the life you truly want. It's possible, and it starts today. Are you ready to take that first step and begin your journey toward a life that's richer, happier, and more fulfilling? The change you're seeking is just around the corner, waiting for you to take that leap. Are you ready to take that first step and see what's possible? The path to changing your life forever starts right here, right now. Life is full of moments when we think about change. We often dream about making a big difference in our lives, but sometimes those dreams can feel impossible. The truth is, change is not as difficult as it may seem. You might be surprised to learn that the first step in changing your life forever starts with you and how you see the world. No matter where you are in life or what challenges you face, there is always a path to a better future. Here's how you could start to change your life forever, beginning with small but powerful steps that, over time, will transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Before you can change anything, you need to believe that you can. This doesn't mean that you need to think you are perfect or that you have to be better than everyone else. It simply means accepting who you are and knowing that you have the ability to learn and grow. Many people don't start making changes because they doubt themselves or are afraid of failing. But remember, everyone fails at some point. It's not failing that stops you. It's being afraid to try that holds you back. When you believe in yourself, you build a foundation for taking action and moving forward, even when it feels hard. To start believing in yourself, think about past times when you overcame challenges. Maybe you did well on a test, helped a friend, or learned something new. These moments prove that you are capable. Remind yourself that you don't have to be perfect to succeed. Instead, you just need to try and keep trying. Once you start believing in yourself, it becomes easier to take steps toward changing your life. Big changes don't happen overnight, but they start with small steps. One of the most important things you can do is set goals that are small and achievable. When you have a goal that's too big, it can be overwhelming, and you may feel like giving up before you even start. However, if you set a small, clear goal, you can focus on one thing at a time. It's these small wins that will motivate you to keep going. For example, if you want to get fit, don't aim to run a marathon right away. Start with a goal to walk for 10 minutes each day or do a 10-minute workout at home. Once you achieve that goal, set the next one. This way, you'll build confidence as you go. Each small goal you achieve helps you learn more about yourself and proves that you can accomplish even bigger things as time goes on. One of the biggest secrets to changing your life is building good habits. Habits are actions that you do regularly without having to think about them. They shape who you are and influence how you spend your time. If you want to start changing your life, take a look at your current habits. Are there any that hold you back or keep you stuck? If so, you need to replace them with better ones. Developing a good habit starts with making a plan. For example, if you want to read more books, make a habit of reading for just 10 minutes each day. Schedule it into your day at a set time, like right before bed. When you do this every day, it becomes a part of your routine. Over time, this habit will be hard to break. Good habits help you move forward in life, and when you make the effort to build them, you'll see how much easier it becomes to reach your goals. The people you spend the most time with have a big impact on your life. If you surround yourself with people who are negative, who complain often, or who don't support you, it can be hard to change. But when you choose to be around people who are positive, encouraging, and supportive, you'll find it easier to believe in yourself and keep moving forward. Start by thinking about your current circle of friends and family. Who encourages you to be your best? Who brings you down? It might be time to spend more time with people who lift you up and less time with people who make you feel bad. This doesn't mean you should cut out everyone who has a bad day or who's going through a rough time, but try to make sure the people who are close to you are those who help you stay motivated and feel good about yourself. Change can be scary. It can be easy to want to stay in your comfort zone, where you know what to expect. But if you really want to change your life forever, you need to be willing to step out of that comfort zone. This doesn't mean you have to make huge, sudden changes. It can start with small things, like trying a new hobby or saying yes to an opportunity that you wouldn't have considered before. When you push yourself to try new things, you open the door to new experiences and new ways of thinking. It's also important to learn from mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. When you make a mistake, take a moment to understand what happened and why. Use that knowledge to do better next time. This way, every mistake becomes a step toward growth. The more you embrace mistakes as part of the learning process, the more confident you'll become in your ability to handle whatever life throws at you. There will always be things in life that you can't change, and worrying about them won't help you move forward. Instead, focus on what you can control. You can't control other people's actions or how the world works, but you can control how you respond to those things. When you focus on your own actions and reactions, you can start to make positive changes in your life. For example, if you're unhappy with your job, you can't control what your boss does, but you can control your attitude, your effort, and your willingness to learn. If you're not happy with your health, you can't control what your body does on its own, but you can choose to eat healthier, get enough sleep, and exercise. By focusing on what you can do, you'll feel more in control of your life and less overwhelmed by things that are out of your hands. Gratitude and positivity are powerful tools that can help you see the good in your life, even when times are tough. When you focus on what you're thankful for, no matter how small, you train your brain to notice the positive instead of just the negative. This can change how you feel about yourself and your life. Start by making a habit of writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They don't have to be big things. Maybe it's a warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a friend, or the sunshine outside. Over time, this simple habit can help you appreciate the good parts of your life more and more. This can also help shift your mindset from one of worry or negativity to one of hope and positivity. Change doesn't happen by just thinking about it. You need to take action. Even the smallest actions count. Maybe today you choose to wake up 10 minutes earlier to start your day with some quiet time, or decide to take a 5-minute break to stretch at work. It's these small actions that add up over time and lead to big changes. Start each day by making a plan for what you want to do. It could be as simple as deciding to be kind to yourself, or taking a moment to breathe when you feel stressed. These actions may seem small, but when you do them every day, they build up and create momentum. When you take action regularly, you build confidence and strengthen your ability to keep going, even when things get difficult. As you start making changes and taking steps to improve your life, it's important to celebrate your progress. Sometimes, we get so focused on the big goal that we forget to recognize the small wins. When you take the time to appreciate how far you've come, it can help you stay motivated and remind you that you are making progress. If you complete a goal or make a positive change, reward yourself. It could be as simple as taking a walk, treating yourself to your favorite snack, or spending time with friends. Acknowledging your progress helps you stay excited and reminds you that you're capable of even more. Remember, changing your life forever starts with small, steady steps. It's not about making one big change and expecting everything to be perfect. It's about building new habits, staying positive, and believing that you are capable of more than you think. You have the power to shape your life in ways that bring you happiness and fulfillment. So, take that first step today. Believe in yourself, set small goals, build good habits, and stay positive. Your journey might not be easy, but with every step you take, you're getting closer to the life you want. One day, you'll look back and realize that the changes you started with small steps grew into something amazing. Your life is in your hands, and you have the power to start changing it forever, one step at a time. Remember, the choice to start changing your life is in your hands. It doesn't matter where you are now or what challenges you're facing. Each step you take towards making a positive change matters. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking better care of your health, or starting a new project, these small steps can add up over time and transform your life in ways you never imagined. Every great success story began with someone deciding to take that first step. You have the power to change your future, and it all starts now. So why wait? Take that first step and begin your journey to a life that could be better, brighter, and more fulfilling than you ever thought possible.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.